Good morning, guys. This is Ashish Matthew again. Yesterday I got a chance to play against one of those very good bowling machines. So the name of the bowling machine is called as Leverage Master DIGI. So it's made of three variants. One is basic, plus and pro. So the rate is somewhere around 70, 85 and 1 lakh. So I got a chance to play against the basic. This maximum speed is around 160 kilometers per hour. The three differ in their swing modules. You know, the swing variants. One is 5, one is 10, the other one is 15, and there are some other setting as well. So I got a chance to play against this particular bowling machine. So the maximum speed spec was somewhere around 145. So let's go ahead and see the visuals, how exactly I was able to play. Let's go.
Oye,